rebuild. Need to start again. Sick of being afraid of past mistakes I've made. Time for apology. Ruined friendships, sorry G. Needs to be said to regain trust and faith. To everyone I've hurt and neglected, real ones will see I'm now resurrected. With good choices and the right medication, need to start again at the base end. Look them in the eye, say sorry to their faces. Time is more valuable than money, eh? And I've wasted plenty. Friendships are worth more than disgrace, and I've spent too long in a dark maze, not knowing my way or my place. No better day than Monday to try start fresh, try clean up part of the mess. Was out of my head and obsessed, totally misunderstood messages. Spent too long with my regret, click start resend, and I miss my friend. A wise man once said, it's all in your head, and I just wouldn't listen. Stuck in my own mind prison. Now I'm breaking down the walls, no longer scared of the fall. I'll be rebuilding it all. I'll try to fix every relationship, my life taking control of it. I can no longer just sit and reminisce, fixing it for my kid, no longer stone like Sid. I've had my last hit, now I'm pushing hope, get it up your nose. Feeling better and don't look like a ghost. No more need to dose. Introducing your host for this evening, Sticker Man, no longer beaming.